Operating procedure of the CNC system for single-sided grinding machine. Import the 刀口88 graphic file before the tool cuts to set the processing parameters, such as rotational speed, feed speed, etc. After the parameters are set up, press the Start button. Real-time data dashboard, like an intelligent assistant. For example, using dynamic icons and precise numerical synchronization, enable you to keep track of the processing progress at all times. The program has been executed. The finished cutting tools produced by grinding. The surface glistens with a mirror-like luster. The grinding lines are fine and dense. Each section has been precision calibration after thousands of grinding sessions.